Wondering how to write titles for YouTube videos that grab attention and actually drive more views? Hey, it's Arit here with Estetino Media. Tubebuddy's title generator tool uses AI to help you come up with catchy titles. And this is my secret weapon sometimes when I'm working to create titles for videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use this tool to generate optimized titles on your video in seconds. Let's get started. So in order to use this, you do have to be in one of your videos, in the back end editing page of one of your videos. So let's just say it's this one right here. So I'm going to click on the pencil icon. Again, I got here from being in my YouTube Studio dashboard. I clicked on content off to the side and then clicked on the pencil icon on one of my videos. Once you're in here, you can see that there's this little tab pull out. Now you do need to have Tubebuddy installed already as an extension on your YouTube channel. And if you don't have that or you want to check it out, I'm going to include a link to Tubebuddy in the description below. So when you click on this tab off to the side here, it's going to pull out this toolbox. And the one that you want to look at is down at the bottom here. It's under the save time category and it says title generator. When you click on that, it's going to ask you, what is the video about? Now, I already have a title for this video, but let's say I did not. And I want to put down that this video is about the most profitable YouTube videos you can create, let's just say. So I'm going to click on generate ideas. And it's going to spit out a bunch of suggested titles for me to use. Now, sometimes I first read all of the options here, and if I really like one, I'm going to use it exactly as is. But most of the time, I would say I take one that I sort of like and I modify it accordingly by just adding something extra, adding something creative. It's like a starting off point. So I don't have to think too hard about the whole title, but it really just gives me the starting off point and I can make it my own from there. So let's see what it gave us. It says how to make the most profitable YouTube videos, the most profitable YouTube videos you can create. So it's literally just used what I gave it. It's posing it as a question. What are the most profitable YouTube videos you can create? Which is kind of cool. I like that. But anyways, you can see here that it gives you a few options and I might actually use something like this. What are the most profitable YouTube videos you can create? And I might do like a dash and then say something else unique about it, maybe to grab more attention. Like, for example, what are the most profitable YouTube videos you can create? Dash, here are my top 3, or here are my top 3 after 2,000 uploads, something like that, right? It just makes it very juicy and clickable. So if you find one you like, you can click apply and it'll automatically apply it to the video. Now, whether you choose the AI generated titles as is, or whether you choose to add your own unique twist, this AI YouTube title generator tool really helps speed up the process either way in creating click-worthy titles. Hit the thumbs up button on this video if you found it helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.